you get your new wheels, your bearings. It doesn't matter which way you turn each bearing. And you're gonna press that in by hand into the spot where they go. And ideally, your kit comes with the small steel tube. It's just a spacer. It prevents these bearings from getting compressed on the inner race by the force of the bolt, but I don't have those in this kit, so I'm just going to put them both in. The only key is that I shouldn't put a ton of force when I tighten down the axle bolt. And this is going to go through here. I'll decide later if I want to keep this this washer. I can put one now, but I could remove it depending on the spacing. What I don't want is to have this washer rubbing against anything except for the inner race. Looks like it won't, so it should be okay. And then on the inside of here is where I'm going to glue the pulley. Then this whole part is going to come over here. This will go on. That goes in. I pre-drilled that hole. Then on the inside, we're going to put, we're going to need a flat washer, which I don't have right at this second. Then we're going to put the spring washer, and then we're going to put the bolt on, the nut.